Thinking about putting an AI agent to work in your business, but worried about spending money on something that goes nowhere? In this video, we walk through a simple way to run a proof of value pilot using LyboAI's LyboAI framework. No jargon, just a practical checklist you can follow this week. Most AI pilots don't fail because the AI is bad. They fail because they start with the technology instead of a business problem. Nobody measures what things looked like beforehand, and no one owns the outcome. So the pilot ends and nothing gets decided. The fix is a bit of structure up front, and that's exactly what the LyboAI framework gives you. Step 1. Pick one measurable job, not transform the business, just one repetitive task, like answering common customer support questions or qualifying new inquiries. Each should happen often enough that a few weeks of data means something. A good rule of thumb: if you can't count it, don't pilot it. Step 2. Set your baseline before the agent touches anything. How many of these tasks happen each week? How long does each one take? And roughly what does that cost you? Write it down. Without a baseline, you'll never be able to say whether the pilot actually paid off. Step 3. Plan a small, time-boxed proof of value. 4 to 6 weeks is plenty. One process, one team, one agent. And agree up front what success looks like as a number. For example, the agent resolves half of routine inquiries without a human stepping in. That way the end of the pilot is a decision, not a shrug. Step 4. Put guardrails on it. Decide what the agent is allowed to do on its own and what always goes to a human, things like refunds, complaints, or anything sensitive. Then review a sample of the agent's answers every week. Governing risk isn't red tape, it's what makes everyone comfortable enough to let the pilot run. Step 5. Measure your returns. Compare the pilot numbers to the baseline you wrote down: hours saved, response times, how many tasks the agent handled cleanly. Then make an honest call: expand it, fix it, or stop it. A pilot that ends in a clear no has still saved you money because you found out cheaply. That's the whole method. One job, a baseline, a time-boxed pilot, guardrails, and an honest measurement at the end. LyboAI's LyboAI framework walks you through each of those steps, and the agent's platform lets you stand up a support or sales agent in minutes, with no code. Head to LyboAI.app to get started. Thanks for watching.